You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to transfer all your notes from an old iPhone to a new one. The easiest method is using iCloud. On your old iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Ensure Notes is toggled on. This syncs your notes to iCloud. Now on your new iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID during setup. When prompted, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Select the most recent backup from your old phone. This transfers everything, including notes. If you've already set up the new phone, ensure iCloud Notes is on in its settings. Open the Notes app and pull down to sync. They should appear. For a direct transfer without iCloud, use Quick Start. Keep both phones near each other, unlocked. A prompt will appear on the old phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to transfer data directly via a secure wireless connection. This copies all content, including notes. For manual transfer, ensure notes are saved to your email account like Gmail. On the old phone, go to Settings, then Notes, then Default Account. Set it to your email account, then on the new phone. Add the same account in Settings, then Mail, then Accounts. Enable notes for that account. Wait for sync. For more simple iPhone transfer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.